Now this tutorial is how to install something that's going to make these look neater. And what we've got is just a blank plate. So what we want to do is open them all up, because then we know that we've got everything in there. Open these all up, and these are double blank plates, basically, to go over a double socket. And what I want to do is get one and go in there, just screw it in with that 3.5 screw, get the other one to go in there, and that'll go over that 3.5 screw as well. And then open up another packet. This one might be a bit tricky because it's not long enough. Great. And because these ones weren't long enough, I'm just going to make myself some more. But these always chew it up, so give it a bit of a rounding off. And then it should just go in. Obviously that screwdriver is no good for that one. There we go. And that'll go in. So then we need to do the same for this one. So that can go there. If we try and get it in there now, it's just going to slide lying about. Okay, so sometimes it does go in, but it's nice to give it a little bit of file to make sure that it goes in neater. And then try and get it nice. Look at that. If only it was the same size as the other sockets, that would be perfect. But unfortunately, it's not. Look at that plastering. Beautiful. Or painting. So we get this to go over, and then we can use the rest of these now. Go in there, and that one can go in there. But then we also want to do is make sure they're level. And is that level with that one? Yes. And then that one level with that one. Just tighten them up. Now they're nice and level. And because it's a blank plate, and they're there because they don't really want to see any screws or what's behind them, I'm going to do what we normally don't do, is put these in. Open this little packet up. And there we go. That's how to install a blank plate. So then let me know, Was that interesting, or have I just wasted 5 minutes of your life? Sorry.